What's up, everyone? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin is trading above 32k. That is really amazing, guys. Today, we're gonna dive into the charts, guys. Is there any update? Is there something new? So, check the video out now, guys. Assalamu alaikum. What's up, everyone? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new cryptocurrency trading video on the Invested Minds YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys, for seeing you back. Well, guys, we're gonna dive into the chart, but before, I just want to make a quick update regarding the situation in Palestine. I just want to say, Alhamdulillah, the people of Gaza are fighting hard against oppressors, and alhamdulillah, we are seeing more and more content that it is proving that Israel is killing innocent people, destroying hospitals, and it seems that everyone is also waking up that the picture that they want to try give us, that they are only fighting the terrorists, is fading away, guys. It's not holding. It's not holding. People around the world are demonstrating, speaking out against the brutality of the IDF. So we are way smarter than this, guys. Way smarter than the propaganda of killing those terrorists and you name it. It's done deal, inshallah. And soon the people of Palestine will be free and everything will be better than before. So, of my first statement about this in a long time, after some weeks, but we need to keep watching on what is going on there. So yeah, let's dive into the charts, guys. I would like to start with Bitcoin. I'm also gonna talk about my favorite cryptocurrency. So stay focused, guys. Stay focused. So in our previous video, we talked about this potential rising wedge here, as you can see. This potential rising wedge here. I know everyone is bullish. I'm bullish too. I'm bullish too. So don't get me wrong. But I'm a trader, guys. I need to call out some stuff even if nobody sees it. And it doesn't make me a good trader. Maybe I can be wrong. But this is what I do, guys. I open the charts. I look into it on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly, on the hourly. And I try to see what is going on in the chart. And for now, this is my view on the chart. Breaking 32k is extremely bullish, but we need to stay above this 32k level. This purple previous resistance need to be tested again. I just want to see if the bulls are really that strong. That means holding this 32k level. So that's point number one. Point number two, after seeing some good buying here, flipping resistance into support, I want to see immediate breakout above this 35k. I don't want to see Bitcoin coming down, chilling here, and then goes up, make a higher high here above the 35k, and just start to struggling here. I don't want to see that. I want to see that this blue line right here, this blue line here, this resistance just getting destroyed, and seeing Bitcoin towards that Fibonacci level, whoa, 0.618, around that 50k, guys. That is what I want to see. I want to see strong buying pressure. That is what I want to see. So that's it, guys. We need to see this white line here and this blue line here being tested. So that is for Bitcoin right now. For the other hand, if you bought the support around these 25K, around the breakout level of 32K, guys, you really need to consider to take support to take some profits here, because this is a major resistance. It is major resistance. So buying here at these previous area, look at here, could be very interesting, could be very smart. Maybe the 25% of your position, you could have some liquidity to buy again after around this 32K, inshallah. We hope that 32K will be tested. Really, it's very important. It's very important. Second thing, we saw something similar like that. We saw a 10K move here in 2022. In January, we saw this pump all the way to 40, 50K after it went down to 32, 33K. So even Bitcoin, pumped all the way from 32K all the way to 48K, it still was a bearish pattern, guys. I hope you understand this clearly, guys. So even if you see a 10K move, it could still be a bear rally. That is something you need to hold in mind, really. So we have these indications that several resistance coming together around this price of 35K. We have the Fibonacci level, we have this white line, and we have this blue resistant line of the rising wedge pattern. So yeah, that's it, guys. And also we got the Fibonacci level. Don't forget, we got 4 points. We got this major, let me expand it a little bit. We got this RSI that is in a bearish zone. It could be going sideways and Bitcoin could be pumping up, but in the end there will be a certain divergence. So to see a healthy upwards pump again, we need to see the RSI cooling off towards that 68 level, and meanwhile testing the 32K level, and then we can see maybe a pump again towards the 90 level, and that we could see Bitcoin going all the way up to 48K. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. Let me dive into Monero. That is my favorite cryptocurrency right now. Monero is, yeah, the cryptocurrency, the definition of cryptocurrency. And yesterday, Sunday, I was with my mentor, and we talked about the charts. We talked about Bitcoin. We talked about Monero, all kind of cryptos, and we want to show you guys a major triangle, maybe a bull pennant on the weekly, guys. On the freaking weekly. Look this beautiful pennant here, possibly, and it is broken out. It is really broken out. Let me draw it for you guys right away. We take this high to that lower high here. So we got this high here, but we got this also this high right there. And then after this dump, we saw that Monero had a pump from 127 all the way to 170, but it saw resistance and it made also a lower high. And you could say you can draw it a little bit further here to this wick right there. And here you're gonna take the let me zoom in a little bit. You're gonna take the low here, this small support here, this small support here, this wick here, and then you can connect it with this high here of 188, and then you can see a beautiful triangle here. You see that? And now look guys, now that is something that we wanted to see yesterday, by the way, before yesterday. 1 second, let me draw the lows together right here. My bad. Come on. Wow, what a beautiful pennant on the weekly, guys. This is a pennant of weeks of data. You see that, guys? All the way from June 2022. And bro, it's a crazy pattern, man. Monero can, destroy other altcoins with the price action. Really, I really see this as Bitcoin at $400-500. I really see it that way. And look at, guys, look. We talked about this breakout. We said, listen, he asked me, like, are we breaking this 175 right there, 172 right there? I said, like, it could be better if we retest this triangle, this previous resistance right here and here. We see now the breakout through the white line. If we just could go one time a little bit down here at 164, 165, flip it as support, and then, yeah, breaking out further, that will be, a better scenario in my opinion. But you never know with crypto, guys. You never know with any asset. It could be just blow up here and you don't see the retest. That happens a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Monero is really a recommended. Of course, it's not any financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I think that anything around the $200 is a good buy. Even below $500 is a good buy, and for me, one of the best use cases of in crypto is a legit cryptocurrency, a real definition of cryptocurrency. And yeah, guys, for me, I really like to give you my financial opinion. It's just my opinion that if you don't have any Monero in your portfolio, please do buy it. Because the moment CBDC will roll out, the moment the digital dollar will roll out, the digital euro will roll out, I'm telling you, guys, there is nothing more important than free, usable money in the way you want to use it. There should not be any control or permission how you should use your money. And that is how gold was. There was nobody checking you out, what you're doing on your account or not. It is your right to have your private decisions made by yourself without any influence from third party. So I think this is the best, really, the best use case we need in this time. So I really hope you guys reconsider and think about Monero, deep dive into it, understand the technology behind it. I understand why it is so secure and so private and has all the fundamental aspects to be a really hard money. Dive into it. Inshallah, we will do definitely a video about it. There's a lot of stuff coming up right now. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you really guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you on the next time. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.